Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately with tests that tell the story. Remove all spark plugs and install a compression gauge in cylinder 1. Crank 5-10 revolutions while someone throttles wide open. Repeat for every cylinder and record dry PSI. Once done, add 1 teaspoon, 1/2 oil to suspect cylinders, and repeat the wet test to distinguish ring, wear versus valve/head issues. Make sure to wear eye protection and keep ignition disabled so fuel doesn't inject. You now move into targeted diagnosis. Set up a leak down tester at 100 psi and note % leakage and where air escapes, intake, exhaust, or crankcase. If air hisses from intake, inspect valve seating and cam timing. If from exhaust, check valve seating and carbon. If air bubbles in coolant, suspect head gasket or a cracked head. If air from oil filler or breather, suspect rings or PCV problems. Make sure to compare readings cylinder to cylinder to find pattern and prioritize. You complete repairs based on diagnosis. For valve leak service or replace valves and guides, set valve lash to spec. For head gasket, torque head and manufacturer's sequence to correct specs. For ring failure, hone or rebore and fit new piston/rings. Once rebuilt, reassemble, prime oil, and perform dry compression and leak down tests to confirm restoration. If readings still vary, the one key troubleshooting tip: revisit cylinder by cylinder leak locations. Unresolved leakage often comes from a warped head.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.